So you need to make $3,000 in 7 days. This is what I would do today without using my credit card, without borrowing money, or without having a bank overdraft. Now, the best part is this is perfect whether you're a beginner or someone that has a business and they need to start making money today. And this is the exact method that I've shown to thousands of students. And don't worry, I'm not going to sell you any course, any coaching. I'm going to show you how you can get access to my entire templates, the entire program, absolutely free. All you have to do is share this with a friend that needs to make money this week and comment "I want freedom" down below, and I'll personally send you all my resources to make this happen for you in the next 7 days. All right, so when it comes to actually making money, there are 3 things that you need, okay? You either need lots of money. Obviously, in this video, I'm not going to tell you to go spend a bunch of ads or go hire people because you need $3,000 in the next 7 days, okay? So we're not going to be doing this method. Another way is you have a big audience, right? Let's just say you have a big Instagram or a big YouTube following, right? This is also a great way if you have this, but I'm assuming you don't have an audience, you don't have any money, but you have time, okay? So we're going to focus on this, okay? If you have time, we're going to be able to make $3,000, okay, in the next 7 days. Okay. Now, yes, we're going to be focusing on time since we don't have much money and since we don't have an audience, but I'm aware that we want to make that $3,000 within 7 days. So what are the things that we want to focus our time in? And that's what I want to talk about next. All right. So typically in a business, you have these 7 buckets. Now, let's just say we can only focus on 3 because we need to make money quickly in these next 7 days. Okay. If I were to say, let's make money in the next 6 months to a year, we would want to focus on, creating a product, marketing that product. How can we automate it so we can sell it? And then how can we actually sell the product, okay? I'm not going to worry about any of this, okay? Because we need to make money as fast as humanly possible. So what we need to do is we need to find an audience with a niche, okay? So this is somebody here. Now I'm going to show you exactly what this means in a bit. But what we're going to focus on is we're going to find a niche or an audience, okay? However you want to call it. So this is the focus here, okay? We want to focus on our niche, but more importantly, we want to focus on a big pain that they have, okay? So this is really important. If you understand this concept, you can make money very quickly, okay? And if we know their big pain, we can get them a fast solution, okay? If we focus on these 3 things, then you're going to be able to make money quickly. Now, later on, we can add, this stuff in. We can make way more money later. But the thing to understand is we want to focus on a specific niche that has a big pain, and I'm going to show you how you can help this person get a solution quickly. All right, so now that you understand the buckets of where we need to focus our time, this is the actual 3-step process, okay? So again, we're going to focus on an audience, okay? So number 1, for example, take plumbers, okay? If we can help this audience with a big pain, right? Like I mentioned earlier, such as maybe getting them leads. If we can get them leads very quickly and how we can use AI to solve a lot of these issues for them, I promise you, they're going to pay you anywhere between $500 up to $1,000, okay? Now I'm going to show you a really cool calculator that's going to help you sell this service, okay? Now, if we sell this service at $1,000 per month, we only need 3 people, okay? We can also do this for $500 a month and we'll need 6 people, but I'm going to show you why this method works so well. And I'm going to show you how to use this calculator. That way you can show any of these people and they're going to want to buy from you. All right. So this is the missed call text back calculator. Okay. And again, we're going to focus on plumbers in this case here. Okay. With a lot of plumbers, they're always missing calls. Okay. They're out working and they're out, actually doing the jobs, but they're missing a bunch of calls. Right? So what we want to do is we want to calculate how much calls they're missing. And then I want to show them how much money we can actually help them recuperate. Okay. So for example, let's just say the average plumber makes, let's just say $300. Okay. On average, they're missing about 30 calls per week. And then let's just say when someone does call, they close an average of 30%. Okay. So something super easy and conservative. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and calculate that. And as you can see right here, how much money they left on the table is $2,400, okay? And again, you can actually go to these plumbers and tell them like, hey, how much calls do you usually miss a week? So you can get their actual data and enter it in. And I promise you, if this number right here, okay, is greater than the amount you charge them, right? And I'm talking about, I mean, I would charge $1,000. If this number is greater, then I promise they're gonna pay you this every single time, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this AI software in their business. And what it's gonna do is every time someone calls them and they miss a call, it's gonna do something called a missed call text back, okay? So let's just say you call the plumber doesn't answer, then the AI system's gonna send them a text, and it can even book an appointment and all kinds of really cool things that it can do automatically. Now for you, it's only going to take you 5 to 10 minutes to set it up, but for them, they're going to be saving a ton of money. Now to actually find these people, it's super simple. Just go to Google and type in something like plumbers in Dallas or whatever city that you want. And as you can see, if I go to the map section here, I can see thousands and thousands of plumbers that I can potentially call and reach out to, okay? But the main goal to understand, right, is all we're doing is we're reaching out to these plumbers. We're showing them how to use this AI software, which I'll show you next. And then we're going to show them how much money that we're actually saving them from the missed calls. Okay. So that's why if you can help them make more money than what you're charging, then I promise you, they're going to pay you that every single time. Okay. But next thing here is I want to show you how to actually do this. Okay. How do we actually set this up? All right. So now I'm going to show you how to install this missed call text back. Now, the cool part is this software will do everything for you, and it's very simple to set up. Now, once you get a Funnel Freedom account, which I'll leave down below in the comments, you'll have access to this dashboard, okay? And again, I'll show you how to get access to the free course and all the templates to sell, all the things that you need to actually make this a legit business for yourself, okay? But let me just show you real quick how simple this is for yourself, okay? So what you do is you're gonna scroll all the way down and you're gonna click on settings, okay? What we're gonna do next is we're gonna scroll down to where it says phone numbers, okay? And in phone numbers, we're gonna look to where it says advanced settings. So as you can see here on the top right, we're gonna click on advanced settings. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this button here where it says voicemail and missed text callback, okay? So we're gonna click on this. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see the missed call text back, okay? The best part about this is you can customize this however you want, right? So, hi, this is, your name. And then I saw that we missed your call. How can we help, right? And you can customize this however you want, right? Hello, my name is, again, we can go this realtor and, Monica, I saw that we missed your call. How can we help? I would love to show you a home this week. What time works for you, right? So, or whatever the realtor would like there, right? And then we choose a number. And after that, then you would click on save, and that is it, okay? All right, and that's exactly how you would install this AI software for the missed call text back, okay? Now, what I want you to understand is, again, we're focusing on time, but since we don't have that much time, we gotta focus on these three things. Again, the niche, the big pain, and the fast solution. And again, the fast solution is helping them save these leads, right? And if you can help them understand that, they're gonna pay you and you can start making money with this method. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I wanna give you access to my entire process. How do we actually reach out to them? What's the actual script? How do we close them? Everything from A to Z. I have an entire step-by-step program that I've given to over thousands of people absolutely free. Now, if you want access to all the templates and the free program, Freedom University, that walks you through the entire process, all you need to have is a Funnel Freedom account. If you already have that, then you'll have access to my entire template. So for example, once you get a Funnel Freedom account, which you're gonna need anyways to perform this service for your customers, you'll notice here there's Freedom University. And within Freedom University, which you'll find right here, you'll have access to all my templates, the entire step-by-step process. And more importantly, if you scroll down to the bottom where it says bonus, build your own agency with Funnel Freedom. If you click on that, this is where you get access to the entire process, step-by-step and click-by-click. Absolutely free once you have a Funnel Freedom account. So make sure to comment I want freedom down below, or I'll leave the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.